Hi everyone, this is Anthony from Perth Tailoring Co. I know it's been a while since the last vlog. It's been exceptionally busy in the studio because of the wedding season, the move, and it's just been absolutely hectic. And I do apologize that I haven't posted any videos of late, but I will endeavor to do more often. And to all those people that's been asking for videos and tutorials, here's a short one for you. A lot of the clients has been asking me what type of trouser length, jeans length, chinos, pants in general, what length is the correct length? The simple answer to that, there is no correct length. Length is a preference, but there is a couple of rules and a couple of terms that you may want to consider or know about. Number one is that there is two types of general lengths, and I hate the word general because there is no such thing as well, but there is a standing length, which is the shorter length of the two, and then there's a sitting length, which is the longer length of the two. Let me explain. If you are standing, okay, you don't want particularly your work trousers to stack too much or break. That's the bunching at the front of your suit trousers, that is, I'm talking about. Because it just looks a little bit unsightly. It looks like you've bought it and you've never bothered to tailor it to your frame. Now, naturally, when you're sitting down, because it's so clean, it doesn't have too much break, it's now too short, so it may ride up and expose some socks. If you're not the type that likes to expose the socks when you're walking or sitting, then the sitting length is possibly the way for you. The sitting length doesn't expose too much socks when you're sitting down, but the downside is when you are standing, and if you are taking photos, it tends to look a little bit messy because it's breaking and bunching a whole lot more. So how do you fix that problem? There is another drop that you can have, and it's called a guardsman. Some people call it military, some people call it a bias cut. Is where a tailor would then shorten the front of the trousers shorter and the back of the trousers a little bit longer. Now the downside with that is you need to make the trousers flare slightly in order to accommodate the angle in which you are altering it to. So there is a downside. If you do like your trousers quite fitted and slim, that particular cut now it doesn't really work. Now for jeans and chinos, there is no rule. Some clients do like the chinos a little bit more stacked, some like very, very slim. So that really depends on the individual taste. On that note, I hope this really helped you out. If you have any suggestions or any other videos or tutorials you would like me to make, just drop me a line. I hope you have a lovely day, take care, and we'll speak to you soon.